Okay guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set Crescendo Mode Alarm iPhone. So if you want to set Crescendo Mode on your iPhone alarm so that the iPhone alarm sound or ringtone will increase gradually, then this video is going to walk you through the steps you need to take to set up or turn on Crescendo Mode Alarm on your iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first you want to do here, when you want to set up Crescendo Mode Alarm, is go ahead and open the Health app. Then on the Health app, locate and click on Browse at the bottom right. Under Health Categories, you want to scroll down and then click on Sleep. Here, you'll be able to customize or configure your sleep time, and the alarm here is going to increase gradually. So this is going to allow your iPhone alarm to increase gradually instead of the iPhone alarm to wake at once, and that is why they call it Crescendo Waker iPhone. Then you want to scroll down the page, then you should see your schedule. You're probably not going to have any schedule here if you are doing this for the first time. Now go ahead and click on Full Schedule and Option. Then if sleep schedule is disabled, in your own case, go ahead and turn on sleep schedule. So here you'll be able to customize and configure your sleep schedule. Now hit the back button. Now under your schedule, click on Add. Then here you should see bedtime and then the wake up time. Now you want to set up your alarm normally here. So let's say you want to sleep by 10 o'clock p.m. and wake up 5 a.m. So all you just need to do is adjust this like this to set up your time or to set up the interval in which you want to sleep, and then you want the Crescendo Mode Alarm to pop. So once you have it set like this, then you're going to sleep for 7 hours 15 minutes. Scroll down, locate sounds and haptics, then locate alarm option and turn this on. Then locate sounds and haptics and click on that. Here choose haptics, which is vibration, and turn off vibration on your phone. Now once you turn off vibration, which is haptics, come to any of these alarm sound and then select it. Each of the alarm sound here will start and increase gradually instead of starting all at once. So you can just go to the alarm sound page and select your choice. You see that? So the alarm sound is going to be increasing gradually. Then after that, hit the back button. Now, if you want to be able to snooze this alarm, make sure you turn on snooze. When you wear Apple Watch to bed, the alarm will go off on your watch. So then turn off snooze. And also you can use this to increase the alarm sound or reduce the alarm sound. So once you are done, go ahead and click on the Add button at the top right. Now once you hit the Add button, it should say your schedule, next time, and then the wake up time. Now this is it. If you go back and open the clock app on your iPhone, then you should see the alarm here. However, you can see we only have tomorrow only. Now to make sure this Crescendo Mode Alarm works throughout the week for you, all you need to do is make sure you turn on alarm throughout the weeks, or you enable the alarm to work for the entire week. So done. So that is it. Then you are good to go. So that is basically how to set up Crescendo Mode Alarm on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.